In this video, we wish to demonstrate to you how to use the Bikeep mobile application and what kind of additional features there are in there. So when you open the Bikeep mobile application, immediately it goes into the closest Bikeep location based on your location. In order to use the location, you just have to click Scan QR. It opens the camera. You have to scan the QR code on the device you wish to use, and it activates the device for you. Once you have locked your bicycle, you get a confirmation of the successfully started session. And the session pops up onto your screen. From this point, you can usually drift on with your activities and leave your bike securely stored with us. But in order to demonstrate you what else can you do in the Bikeep mobile application, I'll go into the following features. For example, if you want to communicate with us, let us know any kind of feedback or report any kind of problems. We have listed the most common reportings here for you, but if you want to list us anything new, you can do this from here. You can add a photo of the situation that you want to let us know and describe the problem for us. And from here, you can make sure that the feedback is received with the Bikeep team, so we can react accordingly. But for example, if you want the live support, you can also chat with us through the application. So in here, we have filled in the frequently asked questions and answers for you, but if needed, you can also send us a message. So let's say I have a problem with the Bikeep mobile application. Then it automatically goes into these most common questions and answers. Let's say I do have an active session. The app actually recognizes where I have an active session, and now it asks me to let me know the exact location, but it proposes here the 6-digit QR code based on where I have started my session. So it's very easy to chat. And as you see, all the questions and answers are automatically given based on the algorithmic movement of the user and confirmed. So this is how you can use the chat feature. From here, we can automatically help you with any kind of issues you have with the bike. Let's go back to the main view. If you open the menu, from here you can see your profile, which region you are actively using the Bikeep service, and if needed, you can change your language or make any adjustments. You can see the notifications that the Bikeep has sent to you. Either these are promotional or alerts. As you see, we don't send too many promotional messages. This one is just a test here. You can see your session history. Where have you parked? You can see your payment history, or actually payment methods. And if you click on it, you can also see your payment history. You can see your active subscriptions. And if needed, from here, you can also end these. And you can see when your next payment is due, whether you want to keep on using it or not. If needed, you can also tie an access card with the Bikeep mobile application. If you prefer not to use the smartphone every time, you can just tie a card with the smartphone application and then just swipe a card on the Bikeep dock. And it acts like an app-activated session. And of course, from here, you also have access to all sorts of support articles, how-to guides, etc., and also the privacy policy. As you see down below, we have also an option to chat with us if needed, so we make us really accessible. Some additional features. Let's close this chat because I opened it before, then Mark still wants to speak with me. Some of the additional features here is, for example, request for new locations. This is incredibly useful when planning for new bike parking locations. You can actually crowdsource the information from the users, where the users are able to pinpoint on the map where they wish to have more bike parking and what kind of bike parking, and we can adjust. It doesn't have to be only the Bikeep one, it can be something else. And here we can leave our reasoning. And if needed, we can also add a photo of the location and send the request. Bikeep team gathers these requests and is able to forward to the urban developers. So as you see, it's not only for parking, there's tons of other useful features, all accompanying bicycle parking application. From the above menu, you can also see our filtering view from where you can decide what you actually see on the app screen, whether you want to see all sorts of bike parking, only the bike hangars, bike houses, or only the bike or scooter parking, for example. And if you want to see water pumps, tire pumps, servicing locations, etc., you can configure this from the menu. So these are all the additional features, but in the vast majority of the cases, you only use it to lock and unlock your bicycle. And if you remember in the beginning of the session, we locked our bicycle. Now, if we want to unlock it, we just click on the active session. We have to slide to unlock in order to make sure that this doesn't happen accidentally. It's very important. And if we've tried it, we can end our session and the device is open for us. Easy as that.